Hey guys, my name's Chris, that's Matt, my brother.
How's it going there, guys?
And first of all, Happy New Year. I hope 2014 is the year where all your dreams come true. In other words, you get Messi and Ronaldo in a pack.
Yeah.
And basically today we're going to be opening a 100k pack. 24 items, all players, all gold, all rare.
Before we get on into it though, if you do want to purchase Ultimate Team Coins, make sure to check out futcoinemporium.com in the description down below using the discount code TwoSync for 5% off.
Guys, today we're going to be opening one pack. One pack, but it's not going to be any old pack. It's going to be one 100k pack. Ryan from Australia, Ross from Scotland, Danny from England. Hit that like button, guys. If every single person hits the like button today, we will get a top player. Guys, this is one of the biggest and best packs you are ever going to see in your life. This is the 100k special. And who is it going to be? Who's it going to be?
Please start this new year off with a big bang.
Oh my god, come on.
Oh, we got Tevez.
Tevez. We got Torres.
Okay,
Tevez.
we got Torres, we got Ben, we got...
Guys, if you did open a 100k pack, who did you get? Leave a comment down below right now.
Yeah.
We want to know who you got.
Yeah.
This is who we got.
We got some decent players in here, actually.
There's
you know,
some good players.
it's
I'm not
not
gonna
bad.
lie.
It's just not like a 100k player,
Yeah.
which I was expecting.
We all have this delusion that if we don't get Ronaldo, it's a bad pack. But
Yeah,
in all
it's
seriousness,
decent. You got some decent players here,
there is some
which
good
will
players.
add up to some coinage for us.
Yeah,
So yeah,
definitely. Tonight we've got a brand new series starting
Yeah,
called
yeah.
Goal Elimination.
Yeah.
This is honestly the biggest and best series we've ever created. There's a lot more up for stake. There's bigger players and better teams. This is much bigger and better than anything we've ever done.
all we can say is there's 1 million coins invested
Yes.
into this series, and also there are going to be daily giveaways. So make sure you don't miss it tonight.
Is Team Baba or Team Matt? Who's it going to be? We'll see you tomorrow, chaps. See you later.